Okay, guys, this is Andres. Based on everything we were discussing this week about the question on how to transfer an encrypted snapshot from the region A for Redshift into a region B, I posted this question on the AWS report. This is the formal answer. So if we walk quickly through the steps, it's pretty much like create a key in the region A and then create a closer based on that key to encrypt the data for the database at Redshift, and then create on the region B where I expect to restore the snapshot another key, then follow a kind of steps filling out bunch of fields I get to grant the cross-region snapshot future, and then complete the process. So what I'm gonna do is create a first closer in North Virginia. That's region A for me. So let's create the closer, and then later we walk through the common steps. So this is my key on North of Virginia that's going to encrypt the data from my closer. So it's a POC. So this is okay. So that's pretty good in here. Let's go back and build up the closer. So let's launch the closer in here. So whatever the identifier is, it doesn't matter. This is just a POC. So whatever user, that is my super user on Redshift database, that's in here. So I get the password. Is require number. Okay, confirm the password. So I keep moving forward. That's going to be the cheapest option. We don't care about that. Keep going. And here is where I have to select the KMS key I created previously to encrypt the data into my closer. So when I click on this, I get the list, I pick it up, the POC key I create on North of Virginia. That's my region A. Here is very interesting features. I will not change any of those. I keep moving forward. It's pretty cool, and continue. Here is it. So what's pretty cool here is that the database is being encrypted, and the KMS key alias is a POC for region A. So that's pretty much everything. So let's start it. Here it goes. Okay, so let's wait to be created. Okay, here is it. That's created already. This is how DB health unhealthy is keep on building up the closer. So, but regardless of that, we can move in forward with the process to, create the KMS key that's going to be used on region B, in my case Ohio, to restore the snapshots paste from North Virginia, this Redshift closer, and be restored in my region B, Ohio. Okay, here it goes. So this is Ohio. In Ohio, I don't have nothing. As you can see, I don't have any snapshot, non-closer at all. But the only thing I have is my KMS in Ohio called POC2. So that's the one who's going to be used in order to restore the snapshot along with, coming from the region A. So I get this already, and then I went to Ohio. I create my KMS key. It's going to be used to decrypt the database or whatever table it requires. So let's move forward with those steps to grant the cross-region snapshot on region A. Here is a typo error from support. The person wanted to say here instead B A. So, well, it's no big deal. So let's move forward to enable this. Okay, North Virginia, my closer, backup, configure cross-region snapshot. Probably I will have to pay for the cross-region backup. Okay, here's the bunch of fields I have to fill it out. So the first thing to do is pick up the destination region. In my case, it's going to be US East 2, that is Ohio. That's pretty cool. Also, our kind of retaining period to maintain my snapshot on the region B, Ohio. So here is the thing. Existing snapshot copy grant. I did it previously, but let's suppose this is from scratch, so I will pick it up as not. And then immediately I get this combo where I have to pick the key from Ohio, POC2. That's the KMS key used to decrypt the database snapshot into the region B. So I picked this up. Okay, here's it. Okay, cool. So I picked this up and then I have to, whatever name I hit in here. Okay. Here's just a naming thing. Let's see what it says. Parameter, snapshot, So the name has to be probably different. Let me figure this out very quick with a different name. Okay. So whatever. Let's call it this. Name is snapshots. Okay, cool. So I save it. Pretty good. Future enable. So next step should be create a snapshot first of all in the region A. So if I go to Ohio, I don't have nothing yet. So okay, cool. I need this thing on healthy in order to get a snapshot. I don't want a snapshot for something that is unhealthy. Here it goes. So now it's healthy. So probably I will be able to take my snapshot. So let's take it this snapshot. Okay, whatever name. I want to pick it up. Okay, POC November 24, 2018. That's okay. And create. So something pretty cool in here, if I go to snapshots option, is that this is being created just in North Virginia. When the magic comes up is once on my region A, North Virginia, this snapshot will be created. Probably later on is going to be replicated to Ohio. So for a while, if we can if we can come in here, there is nothing yet. But then when I come back to North Virginia, is being built up the snapshot. So I have to wait for it. And then probably later, once that's going to be completed, following those steps, this file should be replicated automatically without any intervention from my side to Ohio. So whereas this is completed, let's review the steps that are pretty much all of them completed. The copy snapshot is being executed. It's in progress. Okay. So that's the tricky part, and those configurations. That is not really tricky, but it is like the part that makes everything possible. Okay. So let's get him back here. Keeps on working on this. Okay, that's pretty cool. So North Virginia is built up. So it's going to be very quick in Ohio when the file should start to be replicated. So let's wait just a little bit more. Okay, I'm coming back. So right now in Ohio, the file is being replicated. It took like 2 minutes or so. I had to stop the video. But after 2 minutes, the file is being replicated automatically from the region A into this destination region for the snapshot, thanks to the cross-region feature. The pretty cool thing is that later I will be able to restore the table or the entire database in a closure here. This is to answer